Hello, my name is Tayo. I'm a real estate consultant and a realtor. It's the Certificate of Occupancy Title, which is popularly called the CofO title, superior to other land titles. Now, this video is going to be in two parts. First, I'm going to talk about this in the context of genuineness of a property, and in my next video, I'm going to talk about what is called title perfection. So, this video, I'm talking about the genuineness. I'm discussing titles in the context of the genuineness of a property. Right now, again, is the CofO superior to other land titles? Now, I don't believe so, and I'm going to explain. Number one, let's define what a title is. A title is a document that proves ownership of a property and is recognized by the law. So you got a document, it proves that you own a land or you own a property, and this document that you own is recognized by the law. What you have is a title. Now, the second important thing to note here is the fact that the Certificate of Occupancy Title is not the only document which proves ownership that is recognized by the law. There are actually quite a number of documents recognized by the law which proves property ownership. For example, before we had the Land Use Act of 1978, there used to be what is called the land certificate, and then the deed of conveyance. Till today, these documents are still valid. They are recognized by the law. An accession is a document that is issued by the government. This accession is recognized by the law. In some instances, a deed of assignment can prove ownership and is recognized by the law. You also have, in some instances, where a registered survey can stand as a, or can serve as a land title, okay, because it proves ownership and it is recognized by the law. Now, the question is this: if there are more than one document that is recognized by the law, how can we say that one is superior to the other? Remember, this discussion is within the context of the genuineness of a property. So basically, you want to buy a property and they say, this is the document we have. Let's say, for example, what we have is a deed of assignment. You cannot say, oh, because you don't have a CofO, then your property is not genuine. All right? Or they say, I have a deed of conveyance, or I have a land certificate, or I have a registered survey. And you say, oh, ordinary registered survey, oh sorry, your land is not genuine, you don't have a certificate, you don't have a certificate of occupancy. Right? For example, a land with a certificate of occupancy can be under dispute, and then the parties goes to court, and then there is a court judgment. Do you know that if there is a court judgment, the court judgment becomes superior to the existing certificate of occupancy on that land? So the important thing here, okay, is to do a proper or conduct a proper search. So if you want to buy land and they tell you, okay, what we have is a deed of assignment or registered survey, the important thing is for you to get a lawyer or a surveyor, a professional registered surveyor, to help you do a proper search. Okay, they are the ones that can tell you whether the land is genuine or not. But to assume that a land is genuine because it doesn't have a certificate of occupancy is not absolutely true. In my next video, I'm going to talk about land titles in the context of establishing ownership. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you again soon.